Welcome to this short video about the usability improvements made in Serena Request Center 5.2. I'll show you how you can view the service list in standard or compact mode, open submit forms more easily, search for services by the description provided by your administrator, search for services in categories, and search for request and approval items by ID. First, let's talk about the improvements made to the catalog view, which is used to find and request IT services. You may see green navigation arrows in the category area. These are containers that your administrator has created to organize services. You can click the arrow to navigate to a container's contents. Here, you can see a few services. You can also navigate to other categories, such as employee services. As you can see, we have a lot of services to choose from in this category, and I may want to simplify my view. To do so, I can select the compact view here. I can easily toggle between the compact and standard views. These settings apply to all categories and containers, except for Home, which always shows the standard view. Another change you will see is to the submit process. In past releases, you had to click a service title to open a submit form. Now, you can click anywhere in the service to open the form. If you want to see service details, click the down arrow in the upper right corner. If you don't see a service you need, you can search for it. In the past, you could only search for information in the service title. Now, you can search for information in a service description. As you can see, badge is included in the description for this service. It's also included in a summary for this service. Categories may also be included in your search results. If we search for employee, we see that 4 services and 3 categories that include the word employee are returned. If we select a category, we see the services that include our search criteria. We can also choose to see all services in the category we selected. Another important change to searches enables you to filter requests by ID. Typically, the Request tab shows requests that you submitted. You may need to quickly find a request by its ID. For example, my service desk technician asked me to look at a request that I had submitted and gave me just the ID. I can type in the entire request ID or just the numeric portion. Here's my request. You can use this feature on the Requests and Approvals tabs. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on the usability improvements to Serena Request Center. For full documentation, visit help.serena.com.